Hello everyone, my name is Awais and I will be hosting my own Saturday live session through Mera Exams every Saturday from 7:45 till 8:45 p.m. Pakistan time. In this session, we will be discussing about um, your questions, your queries. We will be then talking about different past paper questions, exam techniques. We can also discuss about the exam pressures, anything you're coping with right now, and how to handle that. Whatever I can help with. So it will be a very intensive physics session. However, what I want you guys to do is you go to Mira Exams, given the link below, register yourself for the class. That is my live class, and it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. Just be on time, and those who register will be in my meeting. Those who are not will listen to us live. So see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.